Hello everyone, it's Andre McClendon. I'm coming guys with a new video about pound yen, telling you about some details about the previous trade and what I'm going to do about it. Let's hop right into it guys. So on the daily, we can see that pound yen definitely hit the first and secondary target profit. Now this is very, very good, and if you entered around this area, possibly got stopped out after moving your stop loss to break even, or like with some profit got taken out right here. That is fine because I did 2 on 3 of my positions. Then I took position here. I do have ones under here, but I think that pound yen might be downtrending a little bit lower to this zone here, to the support right about down here. So if it does this, guys, let me make it a little bigger for you. If it does this, I will be entering on a buy limit. I am placing a buy limit right here, basically at the 160.911. So I'm placing a buy limit there and possibly having a very large stop. So if it does bounce and takes me up, then I'll be taking advantage of that trade. So I think the overall movement for pound yen is much higher. Now there is some candlesticks that's showing otherwise, but on the monthly there's a hammer right there, which I do like. Monthly hammers does show some very good growth long term. But when it comes to weekly looks pretty good. Looks like a good pullback right here. Now, if I'm wrong, guys, I have other positions that are down here, but my only position up here that I have is down here, and a possible buy limit that is looking like about hitting. Now, there's a couple things that I do like about pound yen that if you trade it, there's some good things about it. Now, this long swap is 9.452238 with FX Choice, the broker that I use. If you want to use that broker, description is the link. Affiliate links in the box below. Please check it out, guys. They're an amazing broker, international broker out of Belize. You can trade some really good things out of it. Well, besides that, guys, if it does go down here, hit the buy limit, and I want to have a large stock because we're trading off the weekly time frame. Now, if it hits down this low right here, they're talking about like 200 plus 300 pips. Now, if you're trading with like a 0.01 stop loss, is like $30 to $50 to swing back up, which is possible. But I think it's possibly going to bounce off this right here. But if it doesn't, it's fine. I have other positions to protect it. Now, when it comes to pound yen, guys, if you look at the monthly, you can see that this thing has been trending very, very long. Like, look at this from here. Wrong candle. Let's see. If you look at the candle, like right here, guys, since April 2020, it has been basically going really up. That means the yen is pretty much getting demolished. But these pullbacks are typically for about 3 to 4 weeks, about a month, 2 to 3 weeks. So if we have a pullback, we might have one more week of a red bar and possibly heading up back higher up to here. And that's what I'm waiting for, because usually if the trend is reversing, it's going to be pretty dramatic. But if it's a slight correction, it's going to be, so far as I've seen, it's always been very small, not these big giant wicks down here. But I'm not wicks candles. But that's my analysis when it comes to pound yen, guys. I do see it going up higher long term, possibly hitting these upper highs, which would be very, very nice. Now, if you're trading on these upper highs, for me, I'm looking at the weekly and monthly to see how I can get those trends. But tell me what you guys' thoughts are about pound yen. What are your plans about it? What's your favorite What's your favorite Forex pair to trade? One of my favorites is pound yen, pound dollar. I can make some other videos about the other Forex pairs. Just let me know in the comments section below. We can have that discussion. But outside that, please check out my website, andrejmcclendon.com. Have a bunch of stuff about Forex trading and stuff. And MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 indicators. So, see you guys there. Have a wonderful day.